Hey guys, take a look at what just dropped at Rich Man Shaving on Etsy. Get them while they last. The link is in the description below. And enjoy the rest of this upcoming video. I'm bringing sexy back. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Shaving with Rich. You're gonna love this episode, especially if you love my last episode where I helped some new wet shavers understand the difference between this and this. So I'm trying to keep my videos to about 10 minutes, which is kind of a challenge for me because I'm animated, because I'm passionate, and I want you guys to know how to get the best shaves of your life for the rest of your life. And come and watch these videos and enjoy them instead of just come and watch, you know, something that's totally boring. So that's kind of my aim. It's what I like to do. It's what I've been doing for 3 years. So let's get into the shave. Let me introduce it for you guys. I'm going to show you the gear, and then we're going to come back and boom, we're going to get this. Now, in order to keep this video short, there are some things that I'm going to take off camera just to cut it down. But boom, the big top. Now, if you look here, boom, the club. So this is a great soap. This is a gourmand soap. It's just, it's a whole nother video to explain that. I gotta just keep it tight in here. So, love this soap. I love it. Gonna be using the pairing aftershave, or this is an after splash product right here. Fantastic. I'm gonna be using, you know, when you have an arsenal of products, boom, we got these colors. What brush could I match and pair with that? Well, boom, check that out. Now that, right there, that is a match made in heaven. This is a Rich Man shaving brush right here in all its glory. Jackpot! With an S1 Innovator knot. Love this knot right here. Very soft, very high end, great quality. It's going to make a great lather. Thing with Badger brushes here, or Innovator knots, which is a hybrid. It's just incredible. That's another video too. They got a soak, so I'm going to be using this bowl right here to create an awesome lather. I'm going to bowl lather off camera. When you come back, we're going to cut. Boom, you're going to see this incredible lather. Be like, whoa, how did you do that, Rich? Well, that's for another video too. So if you notice, there's a lot of content here. Like and subscribe. Make sure that you subscribe. Once you subscribe, make sure that you click the notification bell. There's 3 options. The top one is to be notified on every video. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, most importantly. Click the bell with the notification so you can get all of my content and get the best shaves of your life for the rest of your life. Alright, so let's go ahead and cut back when I'm going to have this soaked and ready. So for those of you that are brand new to wet shaving, there's a little bit that you need to know about these higher end Badger type brushes or even boar hair brushes. And we'll be ready to shave right when we cut in. Alright, so we're back. Look at that. Boom. This is loaded up with so much lather, but that gives you an idea of what we're looking at. See the sheen on that? That's a very high quality lather. Boom. And there's tons in there. You can go as crazy as you want. If you want to do more than that, great, you can do it. Excuse the bathroom, I'm actually redoing this here. I'm kind of in the middle of that. Alright, so getting back to the video, this is a really important thing that you do. Kind of following up from the last video, I am using this razor right here. This is a common razor. You can find it at any of your regular drugstores or a lot of retailers in their sections with their shaving goods. But let me warn you, if you do buy those, don't use those blades that they come with because they're absolute garbage. So I've got a nice blade in here right here. It's a Wilkinson sword. Tighten it up. Make sure it's tight. Make sure it's tight. I'm using a Gillette Wilkinson sword blade. This is just one good blade. I've got a whole range of blades. In fact, I will be doing another video with my top blades here very soon. So if you want to know what my top blades are, subscribe, click the link below, the bell to make sure that you get that notification and don't miss it. Anyway, so let's get into the shave. I have done nothing for pre-shave, which I usually do, but in this case I have not. But I am still going to get a great shave, trust me. And you will be getting great shaves too when you follow these few pointers that I have here. So first thing is to get a good setup. Now, you don't have to spend tons of money to get a good setup, but in this hobby, you can spend as little or as much as you like. So you want to have some good protection. Say it, don't spray it, Rich. Hey, we have fun here. All right, so you can see I've got all this lather on my face. It's plenty. You can make it as thin or as thick as you like. I got tons left here for the next passes. Biggest thing to remember, and my brother needed to learn this lesson too, light pressure, let the blade do all the work. Trust that blade, and I'll show you something else. So start in, light, tip the razor back till you feel it tug a little bit, you can feel it catch, and then just think light and smooth across the face, bring it down, no pressure, just let that razor do the cut. Now, here's the thing. But these clog up all the time, and so my brother did this all the time, and he ended up cutting himself because of it. So what he would do is he would shake that, tap that razor, and to rinse it and get all the clogged hairs out. You don't even worry about that here. Don't tap your razor if you have one of these razors, because what happens over time, this little thing here, the slightest little bump, now the blade is not tight up here, it's loose. You go to apply it to your face and boom, next thing you know, you got a cut, and you're like, what happened? Well, you've have some bad habits. You're tapping your razor because you used to do that with your cartridge razor because it used to clog on you. So again, this will become second nature to you. You can do short strokes if you feel more comfortable like that to begin with. And as you get more familiar with the razor, every razor's different. That's a whole nother story. Puff your cheek out here. This is technique. That's another thing. Lots of material for future videos. And just don't speed. You don't have to be, really slow either. But just respect the steel. Respect that blade. Gotta know that it is there to do the work, not you. Light pressure. Make sure you get the right angle and then just hold the angle, okay? And you don't have to get everything on the first pass either. You know the other thing? The other thing that you don't need to do when you're beginning is get a BBS shave right out of the gate, your first go. Don't even worry about that. Okay, so what do we have here? We do not have a BBS shave. And that's because it's only the first pass. So this is about reduction. I'm trying to wipe lather off and I'm putting more on than I'm wiping off. Second pass. Okay, so first pass with the grain. Second pass, cross the grain. If you're going to do 3 pass. And this is all subject to change as well. And you know what you can also do? This is another secret for free from Rich. You can always just pull. There's more in here. But you can pull right off that knot. And you'll be good. You can have plenty of protection there. It's going to be really good. For me, a lot of times I'll keep extra lather, especially when I'm in the cleanup stage, on my hand, so I have quick and easy access to lather and slickness when I need it. All right, cross the grain right here. Let's go. Again, find that angle. Let the razor do the work. Do not press into your skin, or else you're going to get a speeding ticket. Or worse, you could hack yourself up like Stuart did, and I showed in my last video right here. Nobody wants that. Because they're like, this is not the best way to shave. They said I was going to get the best shaves of my life. This definitely isn't the best shave of my life. Light pressure. Find that angle, lock it in, and then a light glide. A light glide. Get familiar. If this is your weapon of choice, get familiar with it before you do any damage. If you compare it to a car, get familiar with it before you go racing it. You know. Before long, this will become like breathing. You won't even have to think about it. All right, last pass. Pull from the knot for the sake of time. Against the grain. Don't drive faster than you're comfortable in the beginning. Now I can make more videos for technique. A little bit of cleanup right there. All right. Now, aftershave. I actually had some red spots. This isn't from the shave. That's just something from before I even started shaving. So there we go. After shave, after splash, whatever your post-shave product is. Enjoy it for a second. All right, and there you go. So, real quick recap. Sorry this went over 10 minutes. All right, so you don't shave like you would with these, with one of these. Very light pressure, almost no pressure at all. Let the blade do the cutting. Don't be a speed demon. Like you may have gotten very comfortable with one of these and go fast. Don't race one of these or you'll probably get a speeding ticket. And last but least, do not shake the razor or tap the razor to unclog it. You won't need to do that. You do that, you know, these other razors, cartridge razors in general, will clog. These ones, they can clog, but you don't need to tap them to unclog them. So if you do, that might loosen here and change everything up top, and then you could get cut because of that. So 3 pointers for you. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope these pointers help you out, especially if you're brand new to wet shaving. And catch me in the next Shaving with Rich video. Don't forget to pound the like button. Comment below. I love to see all of your comments. And we'll see you soon. As always, thanks for watching, and if you want to be notified when my videos come out, just click the bell next to the subscription. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.